Today, we are making about 9 services available to the people from across the state on Goa online portal. The 9 services are, Speaker Sir, issuance of character certificate, issuance of residence certificate, issuance of income certificate, NOC for electrical connection, NOCs for water connection, registration, renewal of trade establishment license, permission for repair of house structure. Most important also is recording proceedings of meeting, issuance of certified copy of resolutions. Proceedings will now be recorded and made available in a digital format from August 2025, which will make every person who is staying in that respective panchayat to enjoy transparency of going through the decision in his or her panchayat and what decision has been taken. The registration renewal of trade establishment will help people to set up their businesses and save their time, as the complete process of issuing of trade license will be done online. Online services will also ensure efficient work process and record management. Applicant need not visit the panchayat anymore, as they can sit at home and avail the benefits of the above services. With adoption of these services, the panchayat records will be paperless, and this will help in recording maintenance in digital modes. Further, more services such as house tax payment, issuance of construction license, issuance of occupancy, application for lease, rent, etc. will be added to this list in a phased manner, ensuring 100% digital panchayats. This we propose to do as soon as possible. We are on it, but right now we have onboarded 9 services. These online services shall be initiated to start with for 5 village panchayats: Chikalim in Murmungao, Bastora in Bardes, Bati in Tiswadi, Alorna in Perne, Kajne, Ambelle, Poraskode in Perne. Further, it will be ensured that every month 25 to 30 village panchayats will be onboarded, as the data to be digitized is very large in volume, around 10 lakhs house tax records and 8 lakh trade tax records. So keeping that in mind, Speaker Sir, slowly but steadily, in due course of time, all 91 panchayats will be doing everything online.